Today our video is on that how to add simple text in your video. If you want to add a simple text in your video, so this video is for you. And suppose I'm importing this one here, and this is a simple video. I want to add a title here in the starting of the video, so simply I will click this tile button. In the tile button, here are some styles of the text, and as you see that these are subtitles and credits, and I want a tiles because I want to add a title. So I click on the plus button. Here comes a bar. This bar is a title bar, and double click on this, and here you can simply write like this is a C video. I'm typing a C, and you can simply select the style which you want in a text. This is the size of the text. I want a bold, so I clicked on a bold. And if you want to make your text in a center, so you can simply choose from here. This is a text color. If I want a pink, I select a pink, and if I want a blue, so simply I will click a blue. This is a text animation. Okay, let's see what happened. As you see that the title comes C. Okay, now the animation of the text. I'm adding this animation. Now you see that the C side, the C edges will changes. These are some animations like how the text appears. As you see that the text appears in this form, and this form, and this form. This one is good, so I select it. If you want to rotate your text, so you can simply rotate from here, and these are the size and the scales where you want to move your text. Compositing is basically opacity of, if you want to hide and lower the opacity, so you can simply click from here. Our text will hide opacity means, and these are some modes of opacity. And normal is good, so opacity is here. And these are some space lines and tools. Rotate, as I explained, compositing, all done. So basically this was a good, and I want to hide this. Okay, let's play. As you see that the C text will come here on the screen, and if I full screen, and here you will see the C text.